Hi, I'm Dave with Dent Tec International. Thanks for clicking this message and checking us out. We know a lot of you out there still have hail damaged cars, and there's a lot of reasons for having that hail damage. Maybe you don't have the money to cover your deductible, or you didn't have rental coverage on your policy and you can't afford to be without transportation while your car is getting repaired. Some of you don't want to repaint your car and you think all the paintless dent removal companies have already left town, or you already got your check from the insurance company and you spent part of it, or all of it. Or you didn't get a check at all, you only had liability. Or maybe you bought a hail damaged vehicle and you got a great deal, but now that hail damage is bugging you. Well, we here at Dent Tec want you to know we have a solution to all these situations, and we want the opportunity to earn your business. Dent Tec will cover your deductible up to as much as $1,000 in most cases. And if you don't have rental coverage on your policy, Dent Tec will provide a rental for you. We know you got to get to work, and Dent Tec's going to get you there. Dent Tec is a paintless dent repair company, so we're going to repair your hail damage without repainting your car. If you got trim parts you got to replace, like mirrors and headlights, taillights, windshields, we'll replace all those, repair your hail damage, and when you pick that car up from Dent Tec, it's going to be looking way nicer than it did before the storm. And if you're one of those that got a check and spent most of your money, all your money, or you bought a hail damaged car, give us a try too. We do a lot of wholesale work for dealers and body shops. We can do the same for you. And we're locally owned. We live here just like you do. And when we tell you we have a 100% satisfaction guarantee for as long as you own your car, you know we're here to back it up. So contact Dent Tec and let's get that hail damage fixed. Thanks again.